Hey guys, if you need LMS for your school or college, then you are at the right place. So this is website based LMS, and this LMS has three roles: one for student, one for teacher, and one for admin. So this is student one. A student can see their courses and the coming deadlines. So student can see their attendance, student can see their grades, student can see their profile, student can see their courses and access any course in which he is enrolled. So this is course. Every course has a study material, assignment, and quizzes. So on a study material, teacher can upload the study related material like books or other related material, and teacher can upload the assignments with due date, and also teacher can upload the quiz. So this is quiz. This is a very secure quiz. So this quiz has timer. If timer reached out, quiz will be auto submitted, and it has violation. If user try to get out of this quiz, it creates the violation, and when violation reached out, quiz will be auto submitted. So if we get out of the quiz and when we get in, so we will see the violation. So you can see on top middle there are three violations created. We only go one time out, and here three violations are created. So if we do one more time, the quiz will be auto submitted. So the violations are now 6. So quiz is all auto submitted, and now we can see the result and we can check our quiz. So this is, it will show the correct answer and our answer which we have submitted. So this is wrong one, so we did this correct. So it will show you all the questions you have submitted and also not submitted. One more thing, when these questions appear, so it will appear randomly. So if two students are sitting together and they are trying to cheating with each other, so they will get different question at the time, because it will generate the random question. So it will shuffle the randomly. So cheating is difficult in this. So when student try to get back same quiz, it will see the review, because student has already submitted that quiz. So on assignments, student can submit the assignment before due date. If due date is reached, then it cannot submit the assignment. So student can upload the file image according to requirement. So I'm getting this file upload. So submit assignment. So now it is submitted. Now teacher can see this and give me the feedback or marks. So now let's see the teacher portal. So this is teacher portal. This is dashboard. Teacher can see their courses, number of courses, assignment, quizzes. So teacher can create course or access course from here, and also from here. Teacher can also take the attendance from here. Teacher select the class and the date and create attendance. So all list of all the students will appear which are in that class, and also their percentage of attendance. By default, all the students are present. If teacher just take name and who is not in class, just uncheck the box that will be absent and just save attendance. So attendance is saved now. So grades are also like this. Teacher just select the class, give the title like mid, and create marks. So all the students in that class will appear, and so teacher will give marks like this. So after giving marks, teacher just save marks. So marks are uploaded. Now students can see their marks also. So now we are seeing the course which are most important. So teacher can create a course from here. Teacher just give the title of course like math, description, and the class name, then create course. Now the course is created, but now we are seeing the different course. So teacher can inside course, teacher can create a study material like the book or anything, and also teacher can load assignment, check assignment. So here can teacher see the assignment. So one student have submit their assignment, so teacher can grade the student out of. So teacher can also give the feedback to student, and teacher can also see those students who have not submitted their assignment. Teacher can also create quiz or modify quiz or check the quiz manually. By default, quiz is checked automatically, but teacher can override the quiz marks. So here only one student has submitted the quiz, so teacher can override the marks. So if just teacher select the marks, teacher can override the any marks. So yes, so this is updated. See, now it is 20. So this is it. Now see the admin dashboard. Admin can see the total student, total teachers, total admins, and total courses. Here admin can create the users with Excel sheet or manually, or teacher or admin can delete the user or modify the user's data including password. So also admin can see the courses. Also admin can see the progress of every teacher, their attendance, their courses, their assignments and submissions. Also after the year phase, after the 1 year, the student got promoted. So this is for that. Admin can update classes and delete courses, delete class courses, delete class and courses study. So this is for that. Like here all the classes will appear. Just click update and delete courses, it will apply. So this is for it. One more thing for teacher. So teacher can create assignment from here and quiz from here, like quiz title, like quiz to description, start date, end date, and the time limit 5 minutes, let's say, marks 10, and create quiz. So the quiz is created. Now inside the quiz, teacher can add the questions. If teacher do it one by one, then from this, like so this is correct option. Create question. Teacher can do this like this, or teacher can upload bulk question with Excel file in that format. Both are acceptable, and there are many more things of this. And also we can add your custom features like Zoom meetings or any other custom feature which you would love to add in this. And also we will add your logos, school name, or even we will purchase a domain for you, your school at yourschool.com, or we will deploy on that and we will give you the completely fully functional system to you. So just you can ready to use LMS. Thanks.